He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows when you've been bad or good. So be good for goodness sake. Better watch out. You better not cry. You better not fight. I'm telling you why.
This is my at the mall and ready to go because I'm super hungry face. Ready? So, we're at the mall. Say what's up. What's up? Tiosha. Tio. Hi. So, we are leaving JCPenney's now. We went to Bath and Body Works. And we're just walking to the food court. Okay, so we're at the food court. Y'all probably can't even hear me, but it smells like cow manure in here. Like it is so stank. God. But so far, we went to Bath and Body Works. And we're going to Pink next. We went to JCPenney's, but we didn't buy anything. And we're going to Pink next, I think. Yeah. And I need to go to Ulta, but Ulta's and then the mall is outside the mall. So. Okay. What's up, guys? I'm home now. I'm going to show you guys what I got from Victoria's Secret. I'm not going to show you guys what I got from Bath and Body Works because those are gifts, so I'm not gonna show you guys what I got from there, but I will show you guys what I got from Victoria's Secret. I had my Angel Rewards from Black Friday, so I just went ahead and used that. My lipstick, well, my lip liner is still on, but my lipstick is gone, so excuse me. So I had my $20 reward, and I had a free panty coupon. So yeah, so I did get a free panty. Show you guys here. These are just hipster and they are black and they have lace at the back. You know what, it'd probably be better if I showed you guys it laying down. So got a free panty. These are just what they look like here. This is actually a new style of hipster, so these are cute. Actually, that's why I got them, because they're really cute. So I went ahead and got those and they were free, so got those. And then I got these leggings from Pink. Pink apparel was on sale 40% off, so I got these leggings here. These are the Pink Sport seamless workout leggings, I think. Yeah, and they have like the best butt and squat ready, seamless, 4-way stretch, breathable, smooth waistband, and high-waisted. So these are what they look like, and this is why they say they have the best butt, because they have like the, you know, little butt outline on them, so it really makes your butt look nice in them. So they had these in so many different colors, but y'all know I like neutral colors, so I got gray, this gray pair here. And then these pajamas here were on sale for $35, I think. So I got this. I think it's a set, because as you can see right there, she has the shirt and pants on. So I'm actually gonna open it up right now and see. It is a two-piece. It is a top and a bottom here, and it's cute. They had satin ones too, but those weren't on sale. They were like $50-something. So I was like, because normally they were like $89, so they were on sale, but they weren't $35 like these. So these are actually really cute. So I can't wait to take a shower tonight and put these on. I'm about to make some cookies, because we did pick up some more cookies at the store. So we're gonna try this again, since it was a fail last time. Even though the cookies were good, they just came out all huge and whatnot. So we're gonna try that again. And I'm also gonna make some guac. And I was looking for, I like the, is it on the border? On the border, I was talking about my Trader Joe's haul, but I get it from Walmart. But they're the blue corn tortilla chips. They're really good because they only have organic blue corn, it's Stella Press oils in it, and sea salt. Those are the only 3 ingredients that's in it. But they didn't have those at my Walmart today, so I just got these from Tostitos, Simple Organic, and they have the same 3 ingredients in it. So these are gonna be pretty clean and pretty decent to eat. So I'm gonna make some guac to go with it, because I mean, y'all ain't never had my guac. Okay, my guac is fire, but I had to take some of my avocados out of the refrigerator and put them up here on this shelf over here and try to let them ripen up, or even like darken up, so I can use them. But we have dinner here, but nobody's really ready to eat right now. The oven is preheating for the cookies. It just went off and beeped, so about to make up these cookies right quick, and that's pretty much what we're doing right now. So this is my mom and daddy plate. They got lemon pepper, and my daddy got honey mustard. These are my daddy fries, and then these are me and Tiosha wings. We got teriyaki, and she got those fries. And then I got a salad, my mama got a salad. So like, US Wings has the best chef salads. Okay, first of all, they give you a lot, then it has like onions in it and everything. Like, it's so good. So I love that salad. So they came out pretty good this time. They didn't like get super stuck together and swell up. I'm eating one right now, but they came out pretty good. I had a second batch in the oven now, so we'll see how those come out. Alright, cookies are done though, and they look a lot better than they did last time. They did get stuck together in some of them because I put them too close together again, but at least they still came out round and they still look good. I ate like 2 of them already because I'm greedy, but yeah, so the cookies are done. Alright, time for the guac. So this is everything that you're gonna need. I'm gonna use 3 of my little teeny tiny avocados, but if these wasn't the teeny tiny ones, you could use probably like 2 or 1, depending on how much guac you want to make. I use my whole lime, and I use 1/4 of a lemon. I don't put a whole lemon in there because I don't like it too lemony, so I use 1/4 of lemon, a whole lime, 3 avocados, and to be honest with you guys, depending on how finely I chop up the onion, it's the amount of onions that I put in here. I don't ever put the same amount because my dad actually doesn't like onions, so I try not to put a lot in there. So I try to chop them up really small and not put a lot, but just enough to give it like that oniony flavor. And then just like a little, not even a pinch, just like a, you know, like a little dash or a fall pinch, whatever, of sea salt. That's it.